Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from a Rainbet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come here, tap on your wallet, and then tap here on withdraw, and you'll get all these crypto options or banking. Now in this section, I'll go ahead and just choose USDT from crypto, and this is the currency and the network. If you need, you can go ahead and choose the other networks. You can select whatever network you do. And then I'll just come here to Bidget. This is my crypto platform. And then I'll come here and click on Assets Overview. I'll go over here to Deposit, and then we'll choose USDT as the coin. And then for network, you can make sure you have the same network that you had chosen there in Rainbet. So it'll be this one, ERC20 for Ethereum. And then just go ahead and copy this deposit address. Okay, now it's copied. Let's go back to Rainbet. Just paste in the USDT address. You can choose your amount and you'll see how much it will be in crypto as well. You can go ahead and just tap on withdraw. This is the fees, as you can see. And there you go, the withdraw is pending. Let's go back to Bidget. And then let's check out our transactions. And there you go, it has arrived minus the transaction fee of about 0.55. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.